Hi, welcome back to my tutorial. One will be part 3, how to build natural elements in a city model. In this video, I will show you how to import natural data, including waterway, greenery, and tree into your 3D model. Now let's begin. Like other element, we start with dragging the OSM data component into the canvas. Change the name into waterway, as well as the filter types. And connect the location and the file path into waterway component. Now you can see all the points appear in our viewport, and we're gonna connect it with polylight. Like other videos, we create a surface with breadth, but with the waterway breadth turning red, it means that the surface of it is not a closed surface. And in this video, I will show you the other way to connect all the points of natural element. Use the join curves. Connect the polylight into the join curve component. Join curves mean it can combine or individual curve segment into a single continuous polycurve. Next is the boundary surfaces. So boundary surface creates a flat surface that fills the space enclosed by one or more closed edge curve, including lines, polylines, arcs, and the resulting surface is trimmed to match the boundary exactly. And you can see the surface of the waterway complete in the viewport. Last thing is to custom preview with color swatch. Change the color for the element. Now let's bake it into waterway layer. Now we group it and enable the script. As you can see in the viewport, the waterway is in the dark red color. It means that the layer is in the back faces. To fix it, it's really easy. Just type the command, click, pick the surface you want to turn into the right faces, the color faces. And now we have the waterway in our city model. And now we move to second natural element. In greenery, we will change the filter type into land use. When you choose land use, you will see that it will include other lands. And we're gonna go to select feature subtypes and choose the land that related to the greenery. I choose farmland, forest, grass, and yard. And now the surface only focus on the green land. And the only thing we have to do is to change the color. Finally, bake them into greenery layer. Then group it and enable it. But now the layer of greenery is having some problem as some surface of it are in the back face. This one is different because they all in the group. In order to flip each element in the group, we use the command DIR, which is short for direction, and manually flip the back face back into the color faces. Basically, we turn the arrow a bit to the up fade. And for a surface, you cannot see the direction icon of it. You can put it on the surface you want to flip and click enter. And now you have the greenery element in your city model. Now let's move to important element of urban setting, which is tree. Change the name to tree and select the natural in the filter types. Select subtype will only choose the tree element. And then connect the location and file path with the tree. Now we see all the points that represent a tree appear in our model. Learn how to create a 3D tree on each point in the viewport. So first we start with building our tree trunk by go to surface and select the cone, which is the same shape as our tree model. And now we connect the output of OSM data to the base of concept. And now we set the radius for the cone, which will be the radius for the tree trunk. And I'll set it into 0.5. And the length of it will be the height of the tree. I'll set it in 6 meters. Connect it into radius and length of the cone. And now the tree trunk appear in our city model. You can change the radius as well as the length of tree directly on the bar script. And for the top of the tree, we could use the sphere shape. And we want the sphere to be on top of the cone. So we're gonna connect the tip to the base of the sphere. And for the branch, which is the large shape of tree, I will set in 6 meters. Now we have the lollipop tree on our city model. And the final thing is to custom preview and color swatch. You can also connect the custom preview and color swatch to the tree trunk. So now we're gonna bake these two elements into the three layers. Now we group it and disable the element. Now we have 3D models first grade, and now you can create your own city model on Rhino based on this tutorial video. Hope you enjoy the 3 sessions of importing OSM data into Rhino using Elk, and see you in other videos. Thank you for watching.